Indonesia faces an increasingly diverse range of shocks and stresses caused by climate change impacts, including more frequent and severe disasters as well as other hazards. Cities are vulnerable to shock and stress from rapid climate change impacts and growing urbanization. Now more than ever, building urban climate change resilience in Indonesia should be a priority. With more than half of the population living in urban areas, Indonesia needs to prepare for and prevent urban crises by building resilience. Besides mitigation actions, the Indonesian government needs to initiate additional climate change adaptation efforts to reduce shocks and stresses caused by climate change. In 2009, with funding support from the Rockefeller Foundation, the Asian Cities Climate Change Resilience Network started in 10 cities across Vietnam, India, Indonesia, and Thailand. Now the initiative has expanded to over 50 cities including the Philippines and Bangladesh. As core implementer of the ACCCRN program, Mercy Corps Indonesia not only aims to raise public awareness and understanding about climate change, but also encourages the Indonesian government to adopt climate change-sensitive city planning. At Mercy Corps Indonesia, we collaborate with other institutions to catalyze urban climate change resilience efforts. Through ACCCRNs, we assist city teams that consist of multi-stakeholder members to develop climate risk assessments and city resilience strategies. We also build their capacities to help them better understand climate change issues so that they can implement climate change actions based on their respective city resilience strategies. ACCCRN initiative started in Semarang and Bandar Lampung and quickly expanded to 6 other cities: Cirebon, Blitar, Palembang, Pekalongan, Probolinggo, and Tarakan. ACCCRN also promoted the development of cities resilience strategy among 9 other cities. At Mercy Corps Indonesia, we are aware that vulnerable groups are extremely prone to climate change impacts, ranging from issues related to flood, clean water scarcity, infrastructure damage, health problems, as well as economic, energy, and food challenges. To tackle some of these issues, we collaborate with local partners for concrete actions, such as the development of climate change education material for elementary and junior high school students, rainwater harvesting, biopores, and greywater projects, mangrove ecosystem conservation to protect coastal areas, organic farming practices, capacity building of the local community to prevent and treat dengue fever, waste management, and flood early warning system. Mercy Corps Indonesia also works in close collaboration with the Indonesia Municipal Government Association (APECSI). Together, we organize annual meetings where we share knowledge from ACCCRN program with other cities. Lesson learned from ACCCRN also helps us to influence the government in the creation of diverse programs and national policies such as Information System of Vulnerability Inventory Index, the National Action Plan on Climate Change Adaptation, Guidelines for Gender Approach on Climate Change Planning, Government Regulations on Guidelines for Climate Change Adaptation Action. Although the ACCCRN program has officially ended in 2016, a lot remains to be done in order to improve citizen capacity to respond to and prepare for climate change. Mercy Corps Indonesia is committed to continue urban climate change resilience efforts by supporting the regional ACCCRN network, a platform that builds sustainable experts, academics, and practitioners on climate change issues. For more information about the ACCCRN program, please visit our website at accccrn.net or contact Mercy Corps Indonesia.